Hey there guys, what's up and welcome to Finance Ninja. Transcribing is a field that's been under the shadows for a long time. So today, we'll first check out an online tool that can help writers improve their writing skills. Then we'll get to know where the writers can cash out their skills in transcribing. So let's check out how to earn $45 per minute typing names or $1,000+ per week free make money online. Number 5, typingtest.com. The website typingtest.com is dedicated to improving your keyboard abilities. You may utilize the site in a variety of ways to train while gaining a reasonably realistic picture of your general typing talents. You may either take a regular typing exam or play one of the games offered by the creator Typing Master Inc. The best thing is that taking a test doesn't require you to create an account or log into the system. You may take a big selection of free courses on typingtest.com right away to help you improve those abilities. The site has everything from touchscreen typing to a 10-key number pad. These classes include games, videos, and progress reports to show you how far you've come. All of this is accomplished in an aesthetically appealing manner. Students may get right in and get started with over 700 free activities. Students can progress throughout time from kindergarten to high school. You may also use the Typetastic School Edition if you're a teacher. In any case, typingtest.com offers a recruiter plan that allows you to tailor the exam for job candidates. The Typing Exam Pro platform allows you to choose the length of the test, provide performance data, and keep track of all testers. This program isn't free, with a monthly subscription costing roughly $50. This is undoubtedly an excellent investment for a recruiting agency or other freelance writing business owner. Number 4, TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe is a transcribing service that serves customers and freelance transcriptionists all over the world. It was started in September 2011. They have offices in San Francisco, California, Auckland, New Zealand, as well as Singapore. You probably already know how transcription jobs operate, but in case you don't, a transcriber hears audio and/or video recordings and then types what they hear into a document. TranscribeMe accepts novices, so if you're looking for a way to supplement your income with a transcribing job, this may be the place for you. Number 3, how does TranscribeMe work? A customer will send TranscribeMe an audio or video file that needs to be transcribed. They divided the audio recording into segments ranging in duration from seconds to several minutes. TranscribeMe's Work Hub then makes the files available to transcriptionists. You pick a file to work on, submit your finished transcription to TranscribeMe, and if the site administrators approve it, you get paid. The quality assurance staff at TranscribeMe will gather the files, edit them, and make adjustments. The final copy includes timestamps and speaker IDs. They provide the transcript to the customer after the final review, and if everything goes well, you're paid. Beginners are welcome at TranscribeMe, and registration and application are both free. Start by filling out the online application and giving an email address to register online. Please note that you must use Google's Chrome browser to view their application form. After uploading your application, you'll receive a confirmation email. There are specific criteria, even though they recruit novices. Here's everything you'll need to get started with TranscribeMe. To work in your location, you must be of legal age, which you may confirm by scanning your driver's license or ID, and you must, of course, have an email account. You must also pass their examination. To get paid, you must have an active PayPal account. TranscribeMe is more accessible than similar organizations with stringent restrictions. There's no need to invest in transcribing software. Of course, you'll need a computer and access to the internet at a fast speed. The better, the speedier, and more dependable. Because this is a transcribing job, we recommend investing in a good pair of headphones, ideally over the ear. Of course, you may use your computer's built-in speaker to transcribe, but as previously said, you'll frequently be dealing with poor audio quality, many voices, and accents that are difficult to comprehend. The higher the quality of your listening equipment, the easier your task will be. It will also assist you if you have a calm, distraction-free workstation with little background noise. Although a transcribing foot pedal isn't necessary, it will come in handy. This allows you to control the streaming of audio clips without having to take a break from typing. Your files will be forwarded to a team of editors who will be able to amend up to 30% of your work. That's pretty generous in comparison to other freelance transcribing sites. Your work will be refused if more than 30% of it needs fixing. TranscribeMe offers between $15 and $22 each audio hour, although some organizations, such as GMR Transcription, pay per audio minute. It's crucial to realize that an auditory hour is never the same as a real hour. Because transcribing a single hour of audio might take between 3 to 4 hours, you won't make $15 to $20 an hour. As a newcomer, your income will be on the lower end of the scale, although individuals with specialized credentials, such as clinical or legal, would earn more. If we do the math and transcribe a 60-minute audio recording in 4 hours, your real per hour charge is $5. Your per hour fee will be greater if you can complete it in 2 or 3 hours. As a result, speed and precision are critical. Number 2, the TranscribeMe exam. The TranscribeMe exam is available on the exam portal. Once inside, you'll find an audio player containing controls for playback, forward and backward, and also volume. The TranscribeMe test takes around 3 hours to finish and is separated into many pieces, so you may save each portion and return to it later if you can't do it in one sitting. Now listen carefully because this is important. To go to the next step, you must choose Save or Next since their system can't save incomplete input. They also won't be able to restore incomplete audio recordings. You have 2 chances to pass the test, and if you fail the first time, you'll need to wait 30 days to take it again. Number 1, Rev. Rev, which was founded in 2009, provides transcription, translating, and captioning services to organizations such as BPS and Comcast. They do this utilizing both in-house employees and freelancers to work from home. Rev has been highlighted on sites including TechCrunch and the Wall Street Journal and has won PC Magazine's Editor's Choice Award for transcribing audio as well as video files. Transcription of audio and video is a common work-at-home side income. The issue is that it seldom pays well and you're still exchanging time for money. They provide a flexible schedule and the opportunity to work on other freelancing projects in addition to Rev. If you're fluent in numerous languages, you'll be compensated. The best thing is that, rather than being allocated certain assignments, Rev allows you to choose from a variety of projects. So after you're able to master your writing skills using the free tool typingtest.com, you'll be ready to earn big bucks of up to $45 per minute using the transcribing websites. So if you're interested in the side gig, do let us know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, then do let us know by smashing that like button. And if you want more content like this going forward, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon. And until next time, take care and goodbye.